Welcome to the European Azerbaijani School.
This is the entrance and we're gonna tour you through the whole school. Hoş geldiniz.
Welcome.
These are the procedures in which we enter our school. First, we sanitize our hands. Second, we measure our temperature. And that is the physical body sanitizer.
This is where students take, at the beginning of the school and at the end of the school, take buses.
This is the playground which students take their break. This is the entrance of the school.
This is also the first floor of the secondary school where you can find the reception.
This is the reception. On the left side, we have the language classes.
And on the right side, there's visual arts and drama classes. We're still on the first floor, and this is a collection of personal projects that our MYP and 5 students have made.
This is the second floor, the heart of the secondary school.
Because it contains the library, the staff room, mother tongue support, EAS support, and the MYP coordinator office.
On this floor, teachers and students collaboratively worked on different bulletin boards. This is the third floor.
On this floor, there are music classes, IT classes, mathematics classes, and science.
And as you can see, there are art displays from other students. This is the fourth floor,
where there are DP classes, DP coordinators, the DP student room, science labs, the university counselor, and examination rooms. This is the -1 floor.
and this is the gym. This is the swimming pool.
On this side is the auditorium.
And on that side is the canteen. This is the end of the tour.
We hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Thank you very much.
Çok sağ olun.